Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Jack and Emma English podcast. My name is Emma, and I'm really happy you are here with us today. If you are listening right now, it means you are taking another small but important step in your English learning journey.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all of our listeners around the world. I'm Jack, and I want to say thank you for spending your time with us today. Learning English takes patience, and the fact that you are here shows that you are serious about improving.
That's right, Jack. Today's lesson is very special because we are going to focus on something that English learners use every single day, even if they don't realize it.
Exactly. Today, we are talking about simple daily English conversations. These are the kinds of conversations you can use at home, at work, at school, or when you meet other people.
And the most important thing to remember is this: you do not need difficult grammar or big vocabulary to speak English well in daily life.
Yes, simple English is powerful English. When you can speak simply and clearly, people understand you, and that is the real goal of communication.
Let's start with something very common. Jack, what is the first thing you usually say to someone when you see them in the morning?
In the morning, I usually smile and say, "Good morning, how are you today?" It's a very simple sentence, but it opens the conversation in a friendly way.
That's a great example. Many learners think greetings are too simple to practice, but greetings are actually very important because they help you feel relaxed.
That's true. And the answer does not need to be long. You can say, "I'm doing well, thank you," or "I'm a little tired today, but I'm okay."
Yes, and if you want to be polite, you can ask the question back by saying, "How about you?"
That one sentence can make your English sound more natural and friendly.
Now let's talk about daily activities. These are the sentences you can use many times a day. Jack, what do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up, make a cup of coffee, and get ready for work. Sometimes I listen to English while I eat breakfast.
That's a perfect example. A learner can say, "I wake up early," or "I make breakfast at home," or "I go to work by bus."
Yes, and these sentences are short, but they are complete. You don't need to explain everything. Simple sentences are enough.
Exactly. For example, if someone asks, "What are you doing today?" you can say, "I'm working today," or "I'm studying English at home."
Those answers are clear, natural, and easy to remember.
Another very common daily topic is feelings. People often ask, "How do you feel today?"
Yes, and this is a great chance to practice English. You can say, "I feel happy today," or "I feel tired," or "I feel a little stressed."
You don't need to hide your feelings. Simple English is honest English.
That's right. And you can also add a small reason if you want. For example, "I feel tired because I didn't sleep well."
That sentence is simple, but it sounds very natural. Now let's practice together. Everyone listening, please listen first, then repeat out loud.
I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
I speak slowly and clearly.
I speak slowly and clearly.
I am not afraid of making mistakes.
I am not afraid of making mistakes.
Very good. Remember, speaking out loud helps your brain become comfortable with English.
Jack, many learners worry too much when they speak. They stop, they think, and they feel nervous.
Yes, and that's very normal. But the biggest mistake is staying silent because you are afraid.
Silence does not help your English grow.
Exactly. It's okay to pause, and it's okay to speak slowly. You don't need to rush.
And you don't need perfect grammar. People understand you when your message is clear.
English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood.
Here is a simple daily tip for everyone listening. Try to speak English for just 5 minutes a day.
You can talk to yourself, talk to a mirror, or describe what you are doing.
For example, you can say, I am cooking dinner, or I am cleaning my room, or I am relaxing now.
These small habits make a big difference over time.
Before we finish today's lesson, let's remember the main idea of this lesson.
Simple daily English conversations help you speak naturally and confidently.
Use greetings, talk about your daily life, share your feelings, and practice speaking out loud.
And most importantly, don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is part of learning.
Thank you so much for listening today. We are proud of you for practicing your English.
Keep speaking, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.